still look so sexy.
Why, guys? Because we didn't go to sleep. Because we didn't go to sleep. KK's the best. KK, pose for me. Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah, so we're going to the airport to go to Virginia.
And surprise Matthew.
And surprise Matthew at his nationals.
Yo, give me a bun.
In soccer. Hello, sexy people.
Emma.
What?
Can't see you.
You too dark.
You have to get closer. You're black.
Hello, sexy people. Emma, are you tired?
Beautiful.
It's freezing in
Are
here.
you tired?
I'm awake.
Karina, are you tired?
Nah, bro.
Brittany, are you tired?
No, I'm like wide awake.
Brandon?
Not anymore.
Marcus is awake.
I got a 5-second nap.
Right now, we're just about to take
until you
off.
leave your vest.
Marcus, Brianna,
Keep back your lamp laid. Blow the
Karina,
tubes
the
on
mall,
either side. A water-activated light
I have no
will
idea
detect
what's
each vest.
Give me just one night, this one time. Give it up for the old life. Everything we left behind got me up feeling so right. In a world I can make you mine. Now we live in these fast lanes with these bright lights, but just take your time. I told you.
Where are we, Marcus?
In an airport.
They multiply. Of course.
Let's zoom in on him.
So first flight we finished, and I'm not sure if that video is gonna be in there. We have 2 more flights, and we're finally gonna be there. Probably gonna get there 5, 6. Kinda sucks. Got Karina behind me.
Yeah.
We got Brittany.
Here we go.
Everything we left behind got me up feeling so right. In a world I can make you mine. Now we live in these fast lanes with these bright lights, but just take your time. I told her get up off of that thing, baby, gon' get up off of that couch.
So deep, so fresh. I like it.
Boom.
Oh shit, that was a hard landing.
Oh, that was amazing.
So we're just in a room. Marcus is just playing. Marcus, what is this?
A Lego game.
It's not even focusing. So we just got on the plane to Washington, and the first one's in. Brianna's over there, sitting with another people. So we are about to take off. We're gonna land at 5:12, I think. I can't show you the scene of outside because the scene is too fabulous. My seatbelt just fell off like a boss. We got Brianna, just in case you guys forgot. We got Brianna, we got Marcus, and Karina and Emma all the way to the front. So we made it to Washington. I can't, it's blurry.
This is Brittany trying to parallel park.
You don't parallel on. Okay, so slow down and just go all the way. Go.
Party picture. Party. No, you have to drink from us.
This always reminds me of Johnny. This thing?
Why?
Emma, remember Johnny with this thing? He does it like all the time too.
So I'm gonna say.
Me and Minnie look at each other like,
We always think.
Most likely to challenge.
And our first question
question is, who would most likely drop out of school?
That is a hard one.